Hello Bearcats, here is your PE challenge for today, Thursday, April the 23rd. We're going to call this a triple set daily max challenge. Now what exactly is this? I want you to find out how many of each of these three exercises you can do over the course of a day. And what you're going to do them as a set, 1, 2, 3. And then you'll take a break and then you'll do another set all the way through those three exercises, okay? You can take a huge long break in between those sets. So push-ups, crunches, pull-ups, or curls, take a long break. Push-ups, crunches, pull-ups, or curls, take a long break. And by long, I mean do some now in the morning, and then do some at lunchtime, and then do some after that. Take at least 30 minutes to 45 minutes to an hour between each attempt and see how many you can do over the whole day. So here's how I'd like you to keep track of that. We're going to kind of display this together. I'd like you to go get a piece of paper and I'm going to make this with you just right along with you. So you're going to take a marker or pencil or something and you're going to draw 3 lines. I'm going to do this and I'll show you here in a sec. You're going to draw 3 lines right down your paper just like that, okay? Then you're going to draw some rows underneath that. Let me give you some real quick. So start by giving yourself a nice 4 lines. And then along the top, you're going to write in the types of exercises. You're going to leave the top one blank. I'm going to black it out. Okay, so that square you're going to leave blacked out, so you're not going to write anything in there. But then you're going to put the different exercises on the top row. Let me do that real quick. Push-ups, crunches, and okay, here's what you're going to put now. Along the top row, push-ups, crunches, and then pull-ups or curls, okay? So we're almost done making this, okay? Now, along the side, underneath where we blacked out, we're gonna keep track of every time we try to do this, okay? So I'm gonna call this number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, just like this. Down there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the first time I do this, I'm gonna do my push-ups, my crunches, and then my curls. And I'm going to keep track of how many I did so I can go back and kind of add them all up at the end of the day. So I'm just going to fill this first one out as an example. Let's say I can do 30 push-ups, and that's a nice good number for me. That's a pretty good number. If I try to do more than that, I get tired. But if I do less than that, I'm not really pushing myself. Crunches, I'll add about 30. And for me, pull-ups, I have a nice thing outside I can do pull-ups on. I can really only do about 8. Okay, so let's say I did that for round 1. Fantastic. Then I would take a break and I would come back later and do the same thing, boom, 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 when I've done round 2, and then so on and so forth. And at the end of the day, we'd go down to the very bottom, let's say, and then add each of these up. Okay, you don't have to stop at 3 or 2 or 4. You can go all the way 5, 6, 7 times. Really see how many you can do. Now, your muscles are going to get tired by the end of this, but that's okay. Have fun. Really challenge yourself. So for Miss Starr's class, my K to 4, just do what you can. Have fun with it. Do your best. You only have to go through this once, okay? For Miss Winford's class, you've got to go through this at least 2 times. For everybody else, at least 3 times, okay? I'd like to see who can really do the most all day long. What is your personal best that you can achieve today? Have a fantastic day. Remember to fill out your daily PE log. When you're all done, I'll have some special questions on there just for today's activity. And we will talk to you very soon. Have a great day.